Watch your eyes. Ask Papa to get it. Oh, he's got it. You want me to put it on? No, don't pull it off. Do you want me to put this on? Here. Hold it like this. Don't move. Curly, be still. Will you get my video camera out, Dad? Or you could do it, Mom. Will you videotape us?
I don't know nothing about these cameras.
Open the flap. Here. Once it turns on, there's a button with a big red circle on it. That means record. Are you going to hold it like Mommy holds it? Oh, look, baby sister, look, she wants it back. She says, can I have it back?
Did you get it open, Carly? Look.
Look, say we're going home today.
What's the date today? November 1st? Huh? How old is the baby today? Say 2 days old. 2 days old.
Shake that off.
Huh?
Shake it off. You're just going to use that one?
I think so. This just makes it like
Too stuffy.
Daddy, fix the car seat.
You holding it like
Look
Mommy
at the
does?
baby.
My 2 favorite girls in the whole world. Little Moose, Little Moose, Little Moose.
Did you say hi? Did you go trick-or-treating last night?
Oh, honey, you can put your fingers on that part.
Did you go trick-or-treating, Carly? Aww.
Give her sugar. You're giving the baby sugar.
no, I'm trying to get the car seat ready.
Oh, no.
Too much sugar. Coffee and cream,
It's
huh?
okay, honey. She just can't breathe when you do that.
You learn something new.
You'll learn, honey.
She's in passed out
Oh,
again.
look at the baby.
Hope she's awake.
I see my Carly. That's my Carly girl.
Baby sister says, I love Carly. What are you doing? Are you done?
She passed out again. Oh, she's
All
awake.
right, let's put baby sister in her car seat.
I think I got it off.
Oh, hold on, honey. Wait.
Let me see.
Cover your mouth.
I need to take a picture.
In a minute. As soon as you get done with the baby.
You can videotape on the way out.
Wait, oh, no.
I told her she can.
Oh, she is?
She brought a little orange thing.
I did, but
Give it to Mommy.
the batteries are dead.
I can hold it.
Okay, don't drop it, because if you drop it,
I can
hold it right here.
open
Here,
it.
let me show you how.
Wait, here's mine to show you how.
Sores.
Wait,
Yeah, he said just put Neosporin on them.
That's nothing.
here, you want this glove too?
It ain't
He
just
didn't
over.
even notice them.
Look at little big sister Carly Sue working the camera. Get it.
Okay, now videotape your baby sister.
Get it, Carly Sue. Show them how to do it.
Right the other
Like
way.
this.
See?
See?
Get it,
No,
baby.
don't push the
baby.
buttons. Don't push the buttons.
Go look at the baby.
Go look at the baby.
There you go. Look at it, see?
Now you see the baby in there?
Is all this clean?
Lift it up, Carly.
Awesome.
See this right there.
Okay, you better turn it off. She's going to drop it.
Honey, you have to hold the handle. Hey, look at Mama.
There you
Get
go.
Mommy on here.
Discovery Channel Carly Sue.
You see Mommy?
See, Where's that noise coming from?
You see the baby there?
So,
Lift it up, Rosie. You see the baby?
All right, Mom, you're going to have to take pictures of us. Is Dad going to have to push you out?
yep.
You want me to go down first?
I'd like some.
I can personally take pictures. It's no big thing.
I
All right.
wanted your mom to come.
I can
Put
personally
that
take
camera
pictures.
away. Carl, take pictures.
Carly.
What I do is,
Yeah.